The real reason why you sabotage is because you're not subconsciously and somatically aligned with your goals. You want them. You know you want them. You know it will benefit you, but you just need to let your subconscious and your nervous system know that it is safe for you to succeed. In the last video, we covered subconscious reprogramming. Now we're going to tackle somatic reprogramming. And this is week 2 of what you need to do using the shift method of success. You're focused on healing your triggers. You have to identify the potential loss and then potential gain. The point of this is to help you identify secondary gain. So when you benefit from having your problem, when you benefit from holding on to this negative belief, because it keeps you safe, it keeps you comfortable. This is what people mean when you need to leave your comfort zone. It's going to be uncomfortable. Using the sheets in the guide will help you essentially move through that process in a more deliberate and less uncomfortable manner.